In this video, we're going to dive into how to use Heatmaps in TeamGate CRM. If you've been looking for a simple and effective way to visualize your sales data and enhance your team's performance, this video is for you. Stick with us because we'll not only walk you through the basics of Heatmaps in TeamGate CRM, but we'll also reveal some alternatives that could better serve your needs by the end of the video. So, let's jump right into it. First thing you'll notice in TeamGate CRM when you start using Heatmaps is the way it visually displays key performance data over time. Heatmaps are a powerful tool for showing patterns of activity, helping you see which sales reps or leads are performing well and which areas might need attention. By looking at these heat maps, you can easily identify trends without having to sift through endless rows of data. Next thing, let's talk about the setup. To get started, you'll need to integrate your CRM with your sales pipeline and input relevant data points. Once you do that, the heat map feature will automatically generate based on your pipeline's performance. This gives you a color-coded overview of your sales metrics, where warmer colors often indicate higher activity or success rates. This is perfect for identifying where your efforts are paying off. The third thing to note is that Heatmaps in TeamGate CRM also help you focus on specific timeframes. You can drill down into daily, weekly, or monthly data, depending on what insights you need. This is ideal for seeing short-term shifts or tracking long-term progress. Whether you're managing leads or reviewing team performance, Heatmaps provide a clear visual representation that can save you a lot of time when making decisions. The fourth thing is customization. TeamGate CRM offers some flexibility when it comes to tailoring the heat map feature. For example, you can adjust what data points you want the heat map to track. This means you can focus on the specific activities that matter most to your business, whether it's conversion rates, lead response times, or other performance metrics. Now, let's talk about some downsides. While TeamGate CRM's Heatmaps are easy to use, they don't offer as much depth in terms of complex analytics. If you're looking for more granular, predictive analytics or advanced reporting, this might feel limiting. The feature is good for quick overviews, but not ideal for deep dives into specific performance bottlenecks. Next thing, if you're in the market for a more advanced and versatile CRM, you might want to consider alternatives. While TeamGate CRM offers basic Heatmaps, platforms like HubSpot CRM or Zoho CRM offer more robust reporting and analytics. These competitors also feature more integration options, which could be useful if you're looking to tie in other tools or need more flexibility with your data. The last thing to consider is pricing. TeamGate CRM offers a decent heatmap feature, but it comes with limitations on the lower pricing tiers. If you're a small business just starting out, it may be fine, but larger companies or teams looking for more detailed analysis might find the value less compelling compared to the competitors. Now, here's the good news. We have an exclusive and extended free trial to TeamGate CRM available through our link. But we've also explored some amazing alternatives that offer better Heatmap functionalities and even more features for your team's growth. These alternatives come with free trials too, and through our link, you'll get access to some additional benefits only available to our viewers. So, if you're looking for more advanced CRM solutions with enhanced analytics and Heatmap features, click the link in the description. Whether it's TeamGate CRM or the alternatives we've shared, we've got the best options lined up for you. Don't miss out on your chance to try them out with exclusive benefits.